Hello friends, hope all of you are very well. Welcome you all to homeschools.com. Today we are going to discuss the most common quantitative aptitude, that is like a speed and distance. While solving speed and distance, the process of solving speed and distance and as well as the time remains same all across the problem. However, there are some critical problem which requires a deeper understanding. So today we are going to discuss, without wasting our time, let us discuss some problem of speed and distance. Now we are going to solve a what problem through linear equation. It is a problem regarding the speed and distance. So let us see the problem. Distance between two places A and B is 720 km. Let us draw the distance. Suppose this is a place, distance between A and B. This is a place A, this is a place B. How much is the distance? 720 km. This is the first line. Two cars start simultaneously from A and B. One car starts from here. This is a one point A. Starts simultaneously. This is a point B. One car starts simultaneously. Two cars start simultaneously from point A and B towards each other. From A to B, B to A, each other. And the distance between them after 7 hours. Time is what? 7 hours time. This is 7 hours time. After 7 hours, suppose this is a car A. Let us say this is a car A. This is a car B. After 7 hours, okay, their distance between them from this point and this point is how much? 90 km. Understand? This distance after 7 hours, distance between them, A will reach here, okay. Say for example, just pictorial representation I am giving, B is reaching here. So their distance between them is 90 km. Understand? If the speed of the one car is 10 km less than the speed of other car, find the speed of each car. We have to find out the speed. What is the clue? The speed of one car is 10 km less. That means speed of other car is 10 km faster. Let us assume the speed of the faster car. Speed of the faster car. Say for example, this is the speed of the faster car. This is a slower car. So speed of the faster car, car A, is equal to x km per hour. So speed of the car B, as per the question, speed of the car B is 10 km less than the speed of the car A. So the speed would be x minus 10 km per hour. This is the assumption. Let us assume the speed of the faster car is x km per hour. Here we have assumed the car A has the speediest one. So speed of the car A is x km per hour. Speed of the car B is x minus 10 km per hour. So as per the question, it is also mentioned after 7 hours. So after 7 hour time, how far they will reach? Car A will reach x into 7 km. This distance they will cover. And after 7 hours, B car will reach at the speed of x minus 10 km per hour into 7 km. So we can write here 7x km they will reach. This is the distance plus 90 km plus x minus 10 into 7 km. Right? This is the total distance. So as per this, the equation will be what? Equation will be how we can write the equation? We can write this is 7x plus 7 into x minus 10, okay, plus 90 km. 90 is equal to 720 kilometer as per this. Okay, because we have assumed na from A to this point, the what is the distance? 7x kilometer. The speed is the x kilometer per hour. So per hour speed is x kilometer. So 1 hour this car will go up to x kilometer. So after 7 hours this car will go up to 7x kilometer. Clear? This part is clear. Now car B. Car B speed is 10 kilometer less. So x minus 10. X kilometer 10. X minus 10 is the speed. So in 1 hour the B car goes up to x minus 10 kilometer. Right? So after 7 hours B car will go x minus 10 into 7, or you can write 7 into x minus 10. So this is a distance. This is a distance. This is also a distance. 90 kilometer, because after 7 hours the distance between them is 90 kilometer, whatever we have mentioned here. Clear? So if you, this is the equation. So this total distance is 720. Total distance from A to B is 720. So car A reaching a point of 7x kilometer, car B reaching a point of 7x minus 10, 7 into x minus 10 kilometer, and the distance between them still remains 90 kilometer. Car A will be here, car B will be here, still the difference between them is 90 kilometer. So if you add up all the distance of car A, distance of car B, and the remaining distance, this remaining distance A, B and remaining distance, okay, distance of A, distance of B, remaining distance, then 3 distance if you add, it becomes 720 kilometer. So the equation is 7x plus 7 into x minus 70, okay, plus 90 is equal to 720 kilometer. Or how we can write the equation? 7x plus 7x, that means 14x is equal to 720 minus plus 70 minus 90. Okay, right? Or 14x is equal to plus 90 minus 70, 20, plus 70 minus 90. So plus 90, suppose this side. So 70, 720 plus 70, 790 minus 90, it becomes a 700 kilometer. Okay, or x is equal to 700 minus 14. So it becomes 50 kilometer. So what we have assumed earlier, speed of the car A is x kilometer. So speed of the car A becomes the 50 kilometer. So speed of the car A, so answer is speed of the car A, speed of car A is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. So speed of car B 10 kilometer less. Speed of car B is 10 kilometer less. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. This is the answer, because we have asked to find out speed of each car. Clear? So this is how. So whenever you are getting any problem, the what problem, you have to read the question very carefully. You have to go through the entire question, okay, and you have to part by part you have to understand what is given, what is not given. This is how you can solve the entire problem. Clear? Take a screenshot of this and you can understand.